Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel CAD Tutorials for Beginners to Advanced. So in this lecture, let's discuss about how to use the text command in Creo Parametric Sketcher. So before that, let's create a model here, and again I will keep the same information here and click OK. So now I will sketch some profiles and will create some model here. Let's use the sketcher here and then use a top orientation and then go to the sketch. So here I will use a circle. Just use a circle here and provide some dimensions, let's say 1000, and now you can see it is in the lock state, and then just click on OK, and then I will use the extrude command, then Control D to change the orientation of it, and let's say 50 mm, or maybe better let's keep as 100. Okay, so this is our model we have created. Now let's try creating a sketch again here, and we'll add some sketch text here actually. So let's select this face, select the face, and again use a sketcher here, and now here we'll use the text command. So if you see here in the sketching, you can see the text, which is a create text as a part of section. So we can create the text here. So let's try, maybe we can write, let's say cadcam, or better CAD tutorials. Okay, and then here you can just change the aspect ratio. If you want to make it slant, you can do that here as well. You can see here you can make it to slant as well. I will keep it as it is, and then you can just change the aspect ratio here. You can just align it. So maybe let's say center, then right. Here also you can change middle, then top. So let's keep it as a bottom, and then we'll use the left one. Here you can change the font size, not font size, we can change the font here. There are different fonts available, so you can see the fonts here. So let's see, I will keep this basic one here, let's say this one 3D. And then if you want to add some symbols here, then you can definitely add from here. So you can just add the symbols and then click on OK. So you can see the symbols are added as well. So again I will just remove those symbols. I don't want them as of now. Just click OK. Okay, so now you can just adjust this text sizes here. So let's try to change it to 100. Yes, I think looks good. Then here you can change the dimension as well. Let's say 340, or maybe let's try 350, 370. So now you can see the text is properly aligned now, and then just click on OK, and again I will just use the extrude command. So here you can see there are different options available to remove the material. So let's say if you want to remove the material, just align the proper sections here. So you can just adjust this, and then let's change the direction. So now you can see it is getting extruded. So we are not going to extrude it completely. So let's try this till middle, or maybe something like, just change the bottom here actually, or maybe we know the dimension, so we can just adjust based on that, and then click OK. So in this way you can just add the text and use it in the modeling part. We can just engrave it or extrude it on the outer side. Similarly, there is one more way we can do this. So again, just create one sketch. Again, use a top orientation and then use a sketcher here. So not this side, actually this orientation is wrong. So again, just use a Control D. So just use a sketch and keep the right as it is, and then you can change again, use a sketcher here. So before sketcher, you just create one arc here. Let's select the center point arc. So just select the center here and then first point and then second point. So just click OK, and again just use the one more sketch here again on the right side, and here I will use the sketcher, and then we can create one sketch here. So just add CAD tutorial. Okay, so I will keep everything is as it is. Just I will adjust the dimension here. Let's keep it to 100, and again this one to 340. Again reduce this, let's say 70, and now I will again double click on it, and then instead of adding it straight, we are place this text along the curve. So just check this place along the curve and then select the curve here. Now you can see the text is aligned with the particular curve we have selected. So here also we can manage the position. In the center we can manage it, we can add in the right side, on the middle, on the top. So let's keep it as to bottom, and then we can just add it to left side, or maybe better center. So whatever is suitable, we can do that, and just click on OK. So now the text is aligned to the particular curve we have selected. So again Control D to go to the standard orientation, and then again use the extrude here, and then you can just manage this directions. So again I will just remove the material, and it's already selected here. So let's add this to 30, and then select here. So in this way we can use the text commands for proper engraving on the CAD parts we have created. So for the extrude, we are going to discuss in the further tutorials in more detail. So we'll use this all the functions here available here. So unlike to CATIA, we have only extrude here, which will work as a extrude as well as a pocket, as in case of CATIA. So here there is an option to remove the material, and this is basically a extrude as a solid. So we can do both the operations in the single command here. And let's say if we provide the direction as dimension as, let's say 100. So now you can see our extrusion, our pocket is going completely outside of the object here. So now you can see the inside material here. Let's say for example in O, there is no support for that material. This is getting separated from the current body, so that is not acceptable. So that's why it's better to keep within the limit, so that now you can see there is a material at the end of this section as well. So in this way you can use the text command in Creo Parametric Sketcher. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching it. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for such more videos, And if you do have any queries, any doubts, please let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.